What's up? It is Matt from GoTherax, and this is how to perform backwards lunges. So we use backwards lunges when we want to start working with unilateral functional movement and when we specifically want to target getting the quads activated. The reason why we love the backwards lunge is because it helps to offload the patellar tendon and helps to alleviate some of the pain that people have with patellar tendonitis or patellofemoral pain syndrome. And in the end, this is just a great movement that's functional for everyone. So we want to get people lunging, but first we often have to get them to activate their quad better, and we maybe don't want to have that knee translating quite as far forward, and this is a great way to do it. So it's very simple. We're going to start feet next to each other, and then we're going to step back a long way here, keeping straight through there. That leg is straight. Now it could be in a little bit or it could be out a little bit for balance, and then I'm going to drop that knee down. Body is upright, and then driving forward. Most all of the pressure is onto that front leg. So here, give myself a bit more room. Down, up, down, up. Now I love to do kind of a running movement here, but you can put your hands on your hips to do them as well. I'm used to that running movement because when I did these, we did them a lot with athletes. So if you are a running athlete for whatever sport, then I recommend getting the arms involved just like that. Regardless, we're trying to keep ourselves at the bottom, straight up, not leaning over this leg, not putting hands on this leg, straight up, and then driving through that leg to pull us up. Thanks.